Hi, we're here at Learning Plan 10. This is medical and health-related disorders such as asthma and allergies, which are the top two medical conditions found in early childhood education programs. But you'll also work with kids who have diabetes, or maybe epilepsy, or maybe are HIV positive, or maybe need tube feedings. And there are some YouTube videos to help you learn about that. And hopefully just boosting your comfort talking to families. You don't need a special ed degree for this. You don't need to be a nurse for this. But you do need to have common sense, and you do need to have good communication skills so that you can work with the families and learn the care needs that they had to learn how to do for their children. You also have an ADA access survey that you're going to go to a workplace or another business in your community or your home if you're thinking of doing family childcare or just want to imagine what it would be like to see how compliant your environment is under ADA. So take a ruler or a yardstick or a tape measure and take a friend, because it's always better to learn when there's somebody to learn with you, and measure and follow along in the checklist. See if things are wide enough or smooth enough, safe enough for people with disabilities, and use that column on the right-hand side that is about suggestions for how you would make the place more accessible. And again, those adaptations tend not to cost very much. Then, between submitting that report and next week's learning plan, just notice now that you've used the ADA Access Survey, when you go shopping, when you go to different places, notice the accessibility now that you know how wide things are supposed to be and how many parking spaces there are supposed to be. ADA benefits everybody. If you've ever pushed a stroller or pulled a wagon or ridden a bike with your kids, you appreciate curb cuts. Those smooth slopes to help us get on and off sidewalks are helpful for everybody, not just people who use wheelchairs. That's what we want you to learn, and this week you submit the formal paper summary. Next week you'll talk in the discussion about what you've learned after the fact, now that you know more about it.